Ever wonder why your boiled eggs turn out different every time? Or worse, that dreaded green ring around the yolk? Most tutorials tell you to start eggs in cold water for hard-boiled and hot for soft-boiled, but that's where the inconsistency begins. Today, I'm showing you one simple method that guarantees perfectly cooked eggs, from runny soft to firm hard every single time with no green yolks. First, let's debunk some myths and do a little prep. Forget the cold water versus hot water debate. We'll get to our consistent method in a moment. But before that, take your eggs out of the fridge for a few minutes to let them warm up slightly. And while many believe week cold eggs are easier to peel, I'll show you how to peel even fresh eggs without a problem, so don't worry about egg age. Secret to consistency: always bring your water to a full rolling boil first. This is crucial because different pots, whether aluminum, stainless steel, or cast iron, heat up at varying rates. Starting eggs in cold water means your cook time begins inconsistently. By adding eggs to already boiling water, the cooking process starts immediately and uniformly, making your pot type irrelevant and ensuring perfect results every time. Once your water is at a rolling boil, gently lower your eggs into the pot. To prevent them from bouncing around and cracking, turn the heat down to low immediately after adding them. Now, this is where you customize your perfect egg. We'll be removing eggs at specific intervals to achieve different doneness levels. As soon as your desired cooking time is up, immediately transfer the eggs to an icy cold water bath. This step is non-negotiable. The cold shock instantly stops the cooking process, preventing overcooking and that dreaded green ring around the yolk, while also making them much easier to peel. Let's look at the magic of timing. A 6-minute egg gives you a beautifully liquid yolk with fairly cooked whites. For slightly jammy but still soft center, aim for 6.5 minutes. At 8 minutes, your yolk is soft but no longer liquid. A 10-minute egg is what I call the softest hard-boiled, with just a smidge of softness left. For a firmer, lighter yolk, go for 12 minutes. And finally, for the traditional hard-boiled egg with a firm white, the lightest yolk. And absolutely no green tinge, cook for 14 minutes. You can cook an assortment of eggs simultaneously by removing them at their specific times. Now for the peeling. The easiest way to peel a boiled egg is to start at the thick end. There's usually an air bubble here, making it easier to get under the membrane. Running the egg under cold water while peeling can also help the shell slide right off. You'll be amazed at how easily these eggs peel. So there you have it, one simple, consistent method for perfect boiled eggs every single time. Boil the water first, add your eggs, time them precisely, and plunge them into an ice bath. No more green yolks, no more guessing, just perfectly cooked eggs for any dish. If this video helped you achieve your perfect boiled egg, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more cooking tips, and let me know your favorite doneness level in the comments below. Happy cooking!